Another great thing with this system is if you go to your music, if you look at the bottom there, whatever's playing, Range Rover, just highlight, just touch that. You see there's a tick next to Range Rover. That means whatever plays on your phone audio, so long as you've got it set up right in the car, it will play through these fantastic Meridian speakers. So, what's playing at the moment? Let's just say, we'll click play on that, turn it down, we'll click play, and then over to the system we go to audio. Now, that's on USB at the moment, and you see, if you click source, that's the TV. So what you need to do is click music again. Just wait a second for that to clear, and you'll see there's a plus at the side there. So if you click on plus next to source, now it gives you the option to select the phone. I'm going to turn this up. And then quickly turn this up. And that's it. That's how you stream audio.